Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy crypto right here on cex.io. And for this, the first thing that you need to do is create your account, verify your account, and then what we're gonna do is go to products and then go to spot trading. This is where the magics happen. Then what we're gonna do right here, select here on sold to US dollars. And then what we're gonna do right here is quite simple. You see here a lot of options. But if you want to trade with crypto, just search right here for the crypto that you want. So let's say you want to buy Dogecoin. We search right here for Doge, and then you have Doge to Euro, to Bitcoin, to US dollars. And that's the way how you can buy crypto by searching for it. So let's say we want to buy Solana to US dollars, click on that. And then right now we can click right here on buy, select right here the amount of dollars that we want to step in with. And then after that, click here on max slippage if you want to do that. For me, it's not necessary. And then click right here on the green button. I don't have any money standing on this account, so that is why my button is not the nice green color. But if you are having money standing on your account, you can just click right here on the green button, and then you created yourselves position. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.